Hey techies, what's up? In this video I'm going to show you how to create an Apple ID in just 5 minutes. Let's do this. First you need to open Apple Store, then click here this icon, okay, then here create a new Apple ID, then email, here you put your Gmail ID here, then here put password. Password must be at least 8 characters. This password should be like same like this, okay. I put here in the screen. Then agree terms and condition, then next. Okay, now first name, here put your name here, then here you put your birth date, then next, then set here to none, then here state, you put your local address here, state, then this is state optional, postcode, you put your local postcode here, and here city, you put your city here, then next. Now here you need to put your phone number here, next, verify. Then you need to verify your Gmail account also. This need to 1 to 2 minutes, it based on your internet speed. See here Apple ID is completed. Then you need click continue. No, not now. Now you can download any application from your Apple Store. See here get, then here install, then put your password, Apple ID password here, just sign in. See, it's finished. YouTube is downloading. In this way you can create Apple ID 3 to 5 minutes. So bro, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, or if you like this channel, please subscribe our channel to get more tech videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.